Hello guys, how are you? In this video we'll talking about the person detection. So here is I am creating one GitHub report. So in this project some requirements of OpenCV, Numpy and Imutils to image process. So here basically topic in the person detection in video file. So we cannot run real-time video. You can also use this code in real time. Also universities, schools, so many types of project you can create it easily. So first of all you can download from here code, then basic requirements of the you have basic knowledge of the computer vision, numpy. Then numpy is the simple scientific computing library, python library. So then you can use in arrays, multiple arrays in image processing. So let's start. You can download from here. I have already code, so I'm going to the my document YouTube person detection file. So you can see, open the python shell terminal, just like I have Mac terminal, so I'm using python 8.8 point, so 3.8, sorry. So let's start. I'm going to the directory of the document. So you can see I'm going to the YouTube directory. You can see also person detection directory. So I have one video, you can see. Almost 1 minute video. Okay. uh, and I think we discuss about the code first of all, then we can run easily this code. So here is the our pre-trained model, and here is simple libraries, python libraries, computer vision library. So you can see the model, our model, cafe model, detector model here. So our classes, now we target about the, so only person. Okay, we detect the person. You load the mp4 video. Yeah, real time you can use also zero webcam 0 and 1. So you can see the basic code. uh, Now we can run it as soon as we create our coding files. uh, Now simply we upload the git code in the git, download from here and run it simply. Our target is the main coding skills, developing the coding skills. So let's start python. You can see uh, here frames, and you can also see the result of people detection. So basically our target in most probably here in other videos daily basis coding skills to develop, and so many projects create and solving applications and so on. So let's start. It's too much slow. I have Mac, so I have so old version generation, so it's too much processing late. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on. Yes. Here is the detect the person. Okay. You can see the result. You also use the runtime camera webcams. This project will be used deployed universities, side areas, offices. So many kind of you can deploy. I think so. You it's too much better for people detection algorithm. You also download from Git My account and support our channel for more informational updates, applications. I hope you like it.